Hello YouTube. It's Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. I bought this lawnmower. Got a Briggs & Stratton 6.75, almost 7 horses. Got the big wheels. And sometimes when I find lawnmowers like this, I say, oh, well, you can't get them running. Here you go. And it's a bagger. The bagger is in real nice shape. Here's the bag. Well, anyway, okay, so it would run on ether starting fluid that would die immediately after the vapors were gone and burnt. It would die. So I got into the carb, okay, right there. I took that off, that cover, and my air filter off it. Okay, to look at this, if you do not see a primer, a lot of times people look for the primer. Well, if you don't see a primer, especially right there on these covers, there's no primer. Well, that's an auto choke. You don't have to prime it. It starts. It chokes itself. It starts up. Well, the problem with this lawnmower, I paid $30 for, by the way, because it's a bagger, big wheels, all that. Okay, I wanted something to tinker with. Let's go. So I grabbed it. The carburetor seemed to be fine, very clean. What the culprit was, so look at this. I never seen nothing like this. Look at that. That right there, that wrapping, whatever it is stopping the main jet. It's blocking the main jet. That I don't know, coating, whatever the hell that is, but it's blocking the main jet. And when you block the main jet, it won't run. It's like putting a bunch of dirt in that jet, expecting it to run. No, that jet is closed. So that's the problem with this lawnmower that I just paid $30 for. The carburetor, like I said, very clean, very clean. That air filter, clean. You said I put gas in it, but it won't start. That's your culprit. Always check to see if you can see through the jet hole that's on the bottom of this bolt. So it looks like in about 10 minutes, I'll be mowing my yard with my newer purchase. That was going to be more of a challenge than that, but you just never know what's wrong with lawnmowers or whatever. When they say, okay, it don't run, I thought it was a, clogged carb. Well, yeah, boom, right there's the answer. The jet hole in that is clogged, which is not going to allow it to run. Huh. I don't know what that is. But put on my little brush on my grinder and boom. Let's get this thing to working. So I'll throw another part, and when I do get going, and it's going to be like in 10 minutes. Well, there's a tip for the day, I guess. You just never know what you're going to find. And some of the problems are very, very minimum. Like for instance, an off-brand spark plug, like what is that, NGK spark plug, could be what's wrong with your lawnmower, why it won't start. You put a champion in there, and I guarantee that thing will start with a champion spark plug. Well, these NGKs, there's one called Smart Start. Yeah, these spark plugs and that I never even heard of. But you change that spark plug to a champion spark plug, guarantee it usually starts. And I've heard of people that actually had that done. They changed the spark plug in the shop. They charge you $100. Guess what? That was just the wrong plug that you put into it, like a NGK or a Smart Start or something like that. You know, some spark plug that, you know, sounded good at the time, but it didn't follow through. It failed. Well, let me hit this jet on my grinder, and let's see if I can get running in about 10 minutes. Peace.